7522 female, a female in the programs of a great set of breeders in our breed. This young female is in the top 1%, 2% of the breed for multiple traits that are very important that we all look at. She's one of the highest on the weaning and one of the highest yearling weight females in the entire Angus breed for non-parent females, ranking in the top of 20 of both of those traits. She's elite in $B, she's elite in $C. She's a great individual. What we're going to do is we're going to sell you 1/2 interest in this tremendous lady reserve female. I think she's pretty elite. Here she is, not one.
All right, and we're selling half interest, and tell me on her, who said 50,000 on her. I go down 2,500, 5,000 on her. I go down 500, down 75. I go down 10,000. I go down 12,500 to me. I go down 12,500 to me. 75. I go down 20,000. I go down 25,500. I go down 25. Now 75. I go down 25, 67. I go down 27. I go down 8,000. I go down 6. I go down 8. 9. I go down 29. I go down 85. You do that? 855. I go down 29. I go down 29. 29,000. 29,000.
Well, I'm not going to stop this afternoon too much. You guys can analyze and look at the cattle, but you talk about rib shape, capacity, balance, and then when you couple all that in together with the phenotype and the number package that this young female has, you can go a long ways and not find one.
29,000 bid, down 29.5. I go down 29.5. Now 30,000. I go down 29, down 30, 30. What if it gets around the neighborhood you've been seen buying cheap cattle? 29.5, 30,000. I go down 29.5, 30. I go down 30,000. I go down 5, down 30, 30,000. 29.5 to 30,000. 30,000. Well, I sold it for 29,500. 623.
We'll bring in lot 3, and again, these are 2 elite females. Here's the direct daughter, a 1564. Full snips to this female, about 70,000. And Crazy K, Vintage has got one of these featured in their cell as well. The direct daughter of the great Power Play. Power Play is going to go down as one of the good breeding winners in 2019 and 20. Here's a great female we're going to sell you 1/2 interest in. Here she is, lot 3.
Other 3, on her, and 25,000. I go down 25.5. I go down 6,000. I go down 7. I go down 10. I go down 12.5. 75, 20. I go down 20 to 5. 21, 2. I go down 3. I go down 4. I go down 24, 5. I go down 6,000. 25, 6,000 on it. I go down 25, 6,000. I've got 25 bid. 26,000 on it. 25, 26,000 on it. I go down 26,000. Silver, 25,000. 619.
We're going to bring in a family of females, 13A, B, and C.